I get mesmerised sometimes just listening to the birds. There's wood doves just over here nesting in this tree. But I can hear everything. Sparrows, blue tits, thrush. Hear a thrush out there, starling. There's robins. There's abundance. It's really amazing how the wildlife has woken up since we've been in lockdown. And it's quite a nice thing to wake up to in the morning when you get mornings like this. I can sit here and have my coffee and just do nothing other than just listen to the birds singing. I've got a book in the house of all the British bird species, and so you can identify them, and it gives you their sort of habits and where they're found, where they like to nest. But there's a lot going on here. I've got to say, we tend to keep our garden. We don't like gardens too manicured, and as you probably know and guess, we cut the lawn and we tidy edges a little bit, but we do like it to keep a sort of a wild we like to keep our trees, bushes at height and growing, because it's just good for the wildlife, and as long as we don't upset the neighbours by growing things to a point where it might block their sunlight out. But we get good cover here, and I've had hedgehogs in the garden here. I've had squirrels, abundance of bird life, lots of insects in the form of bumblebees. So it's dragonflies. This behind me here used to be a pond, and it's been filled in, and it's now just a sort of wildflower bed with a tree in the middle. Don't ask me what the tree is, I can't tell you. Richie will tell you. But it's we're contemplating putting it back into a water feature, and probably whether we'll have any fish in it or not, I don't know, but I'm thinking of having a few oriental ducks to just complement the rest of the bird life around here. Yeah, lots going on. Anyway, can't sit around here, got to get some work done. Talk to you again later.